Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you know when I actually upload new videos. But this package right here took longer than expected to come. You know, in their website it said 3 to 5 days. It took pretty much a month for me to receive it, and that's because I think I actually got it quicker because I actually filed a dispute through my PayPal account, you know, requesting a refund. Because as soon as I did that, the following day they supplied a tracking number. So this company itself, you know, their customer service is terrible. They don't respond to emails because that's really the only way you can get in touch with them, but they don't even respond to that. So let's crack this open right here. And I know a bunch of people have ordered this, and I guess, you know, they were expecting it quicker, but this company doesn't respond to, you know, emails or, you know, trying to get in touch with them. So it's hard to find out really what's going on. But here it is. We had no receipt or anything like that in the bag, but as you can see, here's the packaging right here. Black, you know, these are the BlackPods. So the simple box right here. Let's crack this open. So if you did order this and you use PayPal, just file for a refund, and you'll probably get a response right away. Because as soon as I did that, I got the tracking number instantly, pretty much the following day. But here is the box. It's like a glossy box right here. It's got the, you know, the AirPod right there, in black, as you can probably tell. That's the name of the company, Black. It's a slide-out box right here. And here is the actual AirPods. They do have this so it does feel nice though, and then let's see, it does click like the regular AirPod, and as you can see, you do have the green light right there. This is supposedly wireless. You can do wireless charging, and it's like a matte black finish to it. I'm not gonna go over the whole details and stuff like that because I know a lot of people have already done videos on this, you know, whether, you know, they were happy with the customer service or not, whatnot. But again, here is the cable. You can see it right there, and you do have, you know, their little pamphlet of instructions. And you know, this is qualified certified. As you can see, it's in Chinese. So but yeah, just a quick look at this. It did take, again, longer than expected to come. They finally did. But again, if you did buy these through blacknoir.com and use your PayPal, I would suggest that you, if they don't get back to you with regular email, just file that refund, and you'll probably get an answer with that tracking number right away. You get an alert through your PayPal email saying that, you know, the shipper has issued or, you know, put in the tracking number, and that's really what happened with mine. So again, pretty much a month for me to get it, and I actually disputed the PayPal charges at about 3 weeks time. So there you go. If you have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.